We've just got back in, but you can't deal with the dirt. Got to wash your car straight away. Can't deal with it. Can't even be seen with it like this. Much better. Cool, so I just need to unlock my car, pop down the shops, get Emily's birthday card, and another little present. Fill up, because the fuel's quite low-ish. I don't like letting it get low, so I need to do that quick. And then I'm going to hopefully be using my wire wall on the exhaust today. If not, this video is going to turn into the one from a different day, where I am using the wire wall on the car. Just on those exhaust tips, like I kind of promised last time, to see if I can clean them up a little bit better, because the wire wall came a couple of days ago while we were away. So I've got to use that and see if I can get an extra little bit of shine out of the exhaust tips, hopefully. So we're going to go get some fuel first. Very misty windscreen from my wash. Such a satisfying moment after you filled up, watching the needle go all the way up. Where you just squeeze on the end in your own little space. No one's going to come next to you. Even though I'm in a old beaten up Clio, it's still nice to park where no one's going to be next to you. It's just nice. I think you've done a really good clean on your car, then you see all these little not as good as you think. So I did rush, so don't judge me. Back to CM, might use that wire wall on my exhaust over time. I've got to choose a shirt and everything to look pretty tomorrow. Maybe the weather stays alright. It's been a bit drizzly on the way back. Ooh. So we're all shiny and clean. Once again, I'm going to be using Auto Glym metal polish, and I've got a lot of wire wool in this plastic bag that I'm just going to be using on the exhaust pipes to hopefully get off that black sort of residue from last time. So hopefully we can see it again, all these little bits here. Not too bad on this one, but here mainly. I'm going to try and get all those off hopefully. So I'm going to clean them off first of all with the metal polish, and I'm going to scratch the last little bits off with the wire wall again, but we'll see how we get on. The only thing I'm worried about is it scratching my exhaust, but I think the whole point in wire wall is that it doesn't, but I suppose it depends on how much pressure you apply. So I'm going to be doing the whole exhaust this time, I think, because it's all around the back of it. It's not getting very nice anymore. It's all very dirty. I tried to clean it, but I get it all over the car now. So yeah, they're all cleaned up again, but once again, still getting that residue all around the top there, all that blackness, and same over here. So I'm going to put a bit more of the metal polish on. I don't quite know what I'm doing with this, but I've got a bit of water, so I'm just going to make it a bit wet. Let me use it like that. I think. Okay, let's give it a bit of a scratch. Oh, I can see it coming off, but whether that's the wire wall or actually the bits in the exhaust, I don't know. Well, it's definitely taken something off. It's getting all over my hands. I think. Look at that, that's better. Nice. Do the second one. Yes, they're looking good now. Hopefully we can tell. It's got all flat one bit there. Oh no, missed a bit. That's a good example. So there's still a little bit there. Cool, so I've got those last couple of bits off, but I'd 100% recommend that if you're ever looking to clean up these 102 exhaust tips. A bit of wire wool and a bit of auto glue metal polish, and like brand new. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Nice little video. Do remember, guys, to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.